My name is Karen Pretorius. I'm the founder of KPI Cubed. I've been in the supply chain industry for about 22 years, and before that I focused mainly on training and education in the IT space. A few years ago I did my Masters of Science degree as a research degree, where I did my thesis on women in supply chain. Where are they? And even today at this beautiful event, the women are in the minority. You can count them maybe on all of the fingers. I think sometimes it's a combination of the industry and its challenges, as well as the severe lack of women in the STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics spaces, and that these careers are not really being marketed enough to women. But traditionally we haven't seen those careers as being made available to women. So I think as an industry, there's a lot of work to be done for more inclusion of females in the working space in supply chain. I think it's such an interesting and exciting space because we've got in South Africa such a vast geography of very dense population like we have in Gauteng, and then we also have got the rural areas where there's hardly anything going on. But we need the industry to come up with innovative ideas of what can happen in those rural areas, because we still have a large population there that need to be serviced, whether it's a school kid that needs their school clothes and school shoes, or whether it's a mom that needs baby food, or whether it's a dad that needs parts for a lawnmower in those areas, or wherever they are. We need to find solutions to get the goods to the people. It's not always possible for people to come to the goods. And I think the industry needs more of these kinds of events where we can come together, where we can share problems, where we can find solutions together. And we need to find out, where do we as an industry work together. We can't just be competitors, we can't just be service providers and clients. We need to work together like the ecosystems in nature to bring the solutions to the people that need our products and services.